Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, should I be talking about TCL Inkjet-Printed OLED display a 21.6-inch 4K panel? So friend, the TCL has announced Inkjet-Printed OLED display and the company subsidiary TCL CSOT is leading this innovative with the first product 21.6-inch 4K UHD panel designed for professional monitor, and the new display boasts a 204 pixel per inch density and coverage 99% of DCI-P3 color space with maximum brightness of 350 cadmium per meter square, and the panel is suited for professional application. And the highlighted product is a 14-inch panel for laptop featuring a 2.8K resolution, and this will be one of the first IJP QD-EL electronic situated quantum dot panel from TCL. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.